Hello, my name is Tripp Watson and I'm an attorney for the Watson firm, the Entrepreneur's Law Firm. Today we're going to be talking about trademark registration basics. What is a trademark? A trademark, or a mark, is anything that a business uses to identify its products or its business in commerce. It can be literally anything. A name, a slogan, a logo, a color scheme. Some companies have even registered scents, packaging. There's an endless possibilities for what can be registered as a trademark. Why should I register a trademark? Why should I register a trademark? Registering a trademark allows your company the exclusive use of a mark. That means that if anybody uses your mark without your permission, you will be allowed to go after them for significantly more damages in court than you would otherwise. As well, if you do file suit against somebody, you're allowed to be compensated for attorney's fees. Finally, only registered trademarks are allowed to use the R circled symbol, which identifies registered trademarks that have been registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. How do I file a trademark registration? Trademark registrations are filed in one of two places. For basic state level, a simple filing with the Secretary of State will usually do the job. However, this only provides trademark protection from within the state. So if you want national or international protection, you must file with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. How long does the process take? The process takes typically between 3 months and 1 year. Once you file an initial application, an examining attorney will review it in about 3 months. This is called an office action. Office actions typically take about 3 months, and the average trademark will undergo about 2 or 3 office actions. This means that most trademarks will typically have about 6 to 9 months before they can be registered. Once they are registered, the public will have an opportunity to dispute any trademarks that have been filed. This is a 30-day period. So typically when you're expecting to register a trademark, look in the 4 to 1 year range. How long does trademark protection last? Trademark protection can potentially last forever. Trademark protection is only offered so long as you use a mark. So if you continue to use the mark and keep your registrations up to date, you could potentially have protection forever. However, as soon as you stop using a mark, it will immediately become open for anybody else's use. How much does the trademark registration cost? Trademark registration cost varies depending on how much protection you want. If you only want state level protection, the filing fees typically run between $25 and $50 per mark per industry. However, if you want national or international protection, the fees are more expensive, but relatively not so much compared to how much protection that you get. For instance, filing a single mark in a single industry with the United States Patent and Trademark Office is anywhere between $275 and $350. Now, if you want to file internationally, it typically costs between $750 and $1,100. Now, this is all done based upon how many marks you want to file and in what industries you want protection. So every single mark that you file must be filed in the separate industries that you participate in. So each one of those filings is per mark, per industry. Is there anything else about trademarks I should know? Filing a trademark can be complicated. You typically have to file multiple registrations just to protect the same mark, and often a single trademark can have multiple marks that can be registered in order to achieve maximum protection. That's why it's so important to have a knowledgeable trademark attorney help you and guide you through the process. I hope you found trademark basics helpful. Again, my name is Tripp Watson. I'm with the Watson firm, the Entrepreneur's Law Firm. If you would like to make an appointment to see if your trademark can be registered, give us a call. Our phone number is 377-5202, or find us online at birminghambusinesslaw.com. Have a great day.